Week 5 overview. Last week, we looked at analysis using key performance indicators. This week, we're going to look at how we can create plans for our company and cover our expenses, or at least break even. Starting a business often carries a risk, and as the saying goes, you have to spend money to make money. While that is not always true, there is one very effective way to lower your risk. Do a break-even analysis. A break-even analysis will tell you exactly what you need to do in order to break even and make back your initial investment. Put another way, it's a financial calculation used to determine the number of products or services you need to sell to at least cover your costs. When you have broken even, you are neither losing money nor making money, but all of your costs have been covered. So that's always the first goal. This week, we are going to have a discussion board and a quiz. These come from chapter 10, which is called Get to Break Even First. We do have a couple of other additional resources that I recommend reviewing before trying any of the assignments. When we look at our discussion board, remember that your initial posts are due Thursdays by end of day and that 2 peer responses are due Sunday end of day. Your responses to your peers should be a detailed answer, not just a simple I agree or great job. For the week 5 discussion board, you are going to search online for news of a company that is struggling to hit break even or has not hit break even yet. Once you find the article, you will post a summary describing why the company needs to get to break even and what analysts expect to happen. You should include a citation for your article with your summary. Please do not type your summary into a Word document and attach it. I want you to post your summary directly into the discussion board. This makes the review from your peers much easier if they don't have to open several documents. Then we are going to have week 5 quiz. Week 5 quiz is only 6 questions, so don't get stressed out. It is going to be having you look at different break-even scenarios and answering some questions. They will provide charts such as the one you see here, and you're going to identify whatever question it's asking for. So for example, this one is telling us to identify the break-even in units for the scenario below. So for that question, you will have to find how many units the company had to break even. That is our summary for week 5. Have a great week.